At the time of World War, 2 weeks continuously, American fighter jets came here and they're bombing.
Masjid pertama tertua di Jepang. Jadi seluruh Jepang ini masjid. Ajaib banget. Masya Allah, Alhamdulillah.
Kedengeran azannya?
Alhamdulillah.
Wah, kita perlu rekam nih, membuktikan bahwa bener-bener azan udah kedengeran.
Rindu ya Ji? Di sini rindu suara azan.
Masya Allah.
Mudah-mudahan masjid ini terus bercahaya menghantar hidayah.
Sampai di Masjid Kobe.
Masya Allah, bagus banget. Biasanya kalau kita di luar negeri itu mosque-nya kayak ruko-ruko doang. Ini benar-benar terbentuk banget Kobe Mosque.
Yang pertama kali masuk yang kita cari tempat suci. Wah, ini nih masjid pertamanya saat.
Masjid ajaib. Masjid pertama tertua di Jepang. Jadi seluruh Jepang ini masjid. Ajaib banget. Masya Allah, Alhamdulillah.
Kedengeran azannya?
Alhamdulillah.
Wah, kita perlu rekam nih, membuktikan bahwa bener-bener azan udah kedengeran.
Rindu ya Ji? Di sini rindu suara azan.
Masya Allah.
Mudah-mudahan masjid ini terus bercahaya menghantar hidayah. Langsung komat.
Langsung komat. Ada anak kecil lagi yang manggil.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Kalau kita gitu, salat dulu ya.
Kita salat dulu ya. Bonus banget kita sampai sini dengar azan pertama kali ya di Jepang. Langsung komat
di masjid ajaib.
Bener.
Masjid tertua.
Ada anak kecil lagi tadi.
Yuk, kita salat dulu yuk.
So this mosque is very beautiful history. Actually, after 10 years, when this mosque was built in 1945, at the time of World War, 2 weeks continuously, American fighter jets came here and they're bombing. So almost everything has destroyed around this mosque. If you want to see, there's outside a picture of this mosque before the World War, when this mosque was built in 1935. At the time of World War, everything destroyed. Only this mosque, as it is survived.
Oh, masyaAllah.
Nothing happened, something like this. Yeah, even the glass is also same.
It's original.
Original one.
Can you repeat one more time? During World War, everything destroyed, and then?
So at the time of World War, everything has destroyed around this mosque. But this mosque, as it survived, only one. Didn't change anything. Even the glasses is the original one. Same one. 87 years before.
This that original?
Yes,
This one original.
87 years before. And at that time, 200 soldiers of Japanese army take a shelter inside the mosque. not only this, after that, when the biggest earthquake in Japan,
Which year?
1995. But just only there's a parking outside. The wall of this parking just little bit fall down, and of the minars, the road fall down. But everything else same.
But it's okay.
Yes.
This was okay.
As it is okay. Even nothing changed, nothing happened. Something.
Oh,
No.
So every house was destroyed
Yeah,
for the
every
earthquake.
year.
Yeah, not every the few. Survived, but this mosque was historical. It didn't change. Same as it is.
You did change.
At that time, also 1 month, there are some Japanese people was living around this mosque. They came inside them and living almost 1 month inside the mosque. There's a hall behind there,
Yeah.
and actually at the time of earthquake, there was no water, no electricity, everything was finished. So at that time, also they take 1 month inside the mosque. Yes, and there's many Japanese people becomes Muslim around this.
Allah Akbar, walillahil hamd.
Who owned this land before become masjid?
Before the masjid, they bought the land from maybe Japanese peoples, which is Qatari peoples and some Indian people.
Or they collect the money?
They collect the money together.
Fundraising.
And one more important thing about this mosque, other mosques depend on someone funding the mosque.
Yeah.
This mosque doesn't need anything because this mosque earning by self.
Yeah.
How? It have some apartments. Apartment, almost 16 apartments, 2 parkings. They're earning money from there.
Yeah.
So no one have to give a fund to us. It's
Yeah.
us. If someone want to give a by sub 1,000 yen something by sub, you want to put inside the donation box, but then it doesn't depend on someone that funding this mosque or something like this.
Oh, Masya Allah.
Alhamdulillah kita bisa ke masjid ajaib. Masjid yang tahan gempa
Ya.
pada tahun 95. Saat itu kemudian Jepang gempa habis besar-besaran. Semua hancur kecuali masjid ini. Allah menunjukkan kuasanya. Di saat Perang Dunia Kedua semuanya habis dibombardir. Yang tegak juga masih masjid ini. Dan kita sudah 2 kali ke sini.
Benar, Masya Allah.
Itu tanda,
Ini mah kode.
kode dari Allah, bahasa cinta. Surat cinta istilahnya.
Benar, Masya Allah.
Itu kode, benar, kode. Istilahnya Ari Untung dulu tuh, kode dari Allah. Allah ngasih kode. Kita bisa baca nggak kodenya?
Nah itu dia tuh. Kemarin kita lagi mau ngobrol begini, tiba-tiba takjub loh. Ada azan nih di masjid.
Iya.
Biasanya di Jepang kan
Azannya keluar, kedengeran.
apa namanya nggak boleh gitu
Nggak
ya?
boleh,
Ternyata
sekarang boleh.
keluar.
Insya Allah.
Dan ternyata langsung sholat. Kita sholat dulu, tapi
Iya.
lupa kita pikirin. Tapi mungkin ini kode betul saja.
Benar, kode dari Allah. Bukan cuma satu masjid, tapi ratusan masjid, bahkan ribuan masjid harus ada di Jepang.
Benar.
Maka kita mulai dari satu langkah, kita membangun masjid di Yokohama, Masjid As-Solihin Yokohama.
Masya Allah luar biasa. Kita apa namanya upayakan supaya azan ini juga terdengar. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi. Supaya azan ini juga terdengar di Yokohama, saudara kita yang di Yokohama kemudian merasakan apa namanya nikmatnya mendengar suara azan ya saudara.
Masya Allah.
Masya Allah.
Mudah-mudahan azan pertama kali dari bumi paling timur itu menyambut datangnya sholat. Sehingga kemudian dari timur ke barat semua memuja dan memuji Allah. Teman-teman semuanya yuk berwakaf untuk Masjid As-Solihin Yokohama. Sekarang pembebasan lahan dan sebentar lagi akan pembangunan gedungnya. Ayo ikut investasi saham yang tidak akan pernah rugi, Ji.
Benar.
Bismillah.
Insya Allah. Dan mudah-mudahan ini kesempatan buat teman-teman semuanya. Berapapun yang diberikan, banyak lebih baik saja
Iya
tentunya
dong.
juga. Waktunya makin sedikit kesempatannya. Hanya
Waktu
tinggal
semakin sedikit.
2 bulan lagi teman-teman
Bulan
semuanya.
lagi.
Ayo gaskan.
Dan semakin dikit lagi karena kita nggak tahu sampai kapan kita hidup.
Masya Allah.
Yuk, teman-teman wakaf di Masjid As-Solihin Yokohama. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hmm.